Amazon's going all in on bringing AI to your reading experience. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Officially announced in June 2026, Kindle frames its AI add-ons as making it easier to stay immersed in your books by offering spoiler-free recaps and bringing context to your reading experience. Combined with your Kindle's previous smart features, which allowed users to do everything from look up definitions to translate foreign languages, the rollout is coming with new ways to incorporate emerging technologies into your reading experience, whether you ask for it or not. Unfortunately, not every reader will have access to Kindle's AI infusion, as Amazon's rolled out its new recap features to newer Kindle devices and American iOS users only. However, its Ask This Book AI chatbot will only be available on the US version of its iOS Kindle application for now. Kindles will be receiving the Ask This Book feature later this year. Likewise, both recaps and Ask This Book functionalities are expected to come to Android applications by the end of 2026. This comes as Amazon pushes users towards newer models of their flagship e-reader. Earlier this year, the Seattle company announced it would discontinue support for its earliest Kindle models. However, Kindle assured users that their older models will continue to function. However, users won't be able to import new titles to their libraries. Similarly, Amazon will not be pushing its latest features update onto its older Kindle models. Instead, the contextual tools will only be available to Kindles released in 2024 or after. With that in mind, the phone application acts like a savior, allowing readers to test whether AI functionality is really worth the upgrade. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.